Hello, this is David Ruben. Welcome to my website. Thank you for visiting. Today we're going to talk a little bit about alimony. What does alimony mean, and in what situations can you get alimony in Maryland? Maryland is an alimony state, so if anybody ever asked you, can you get alimony in Maryland, the answer is yes. Alimony, spousal support, same thing. In what circumstances can you get alimony? And I'm going to break this video down into this video and a few more videos because it's a lot to answer, and I don't want these videos to be too long. But in Maryland, we have two kinds of alimony. We have rehabilitative alimony, and we have indefinite alimony. Rehabilitative alimony, under the law, is the preferred type of alimony. Most cases, if they are alimony cases, are rehabilitative alimony. What does that mean? Well, it means that people agree, or a court is going to decide, that one of the parties, whether it's the husband or the wife, is not self-supporting, and the other person makes a decent amount of money, or an amount of money enough to support that person, get them to the place where they can support themselves, till they can rehabilitate themselves. Rehabilitative alimony usually takes 3 years, 5 years, but it depends on the circumstances. What does one need to do rehabilitative alimony? Well, usually it's go back to school or get back into the workforce for a couple years till they can get to the point where they can actually pay their own bills. That's called rehabilitative alimony. Indefinite alimony is the other kind of alimony that we have in Maryland. What does that mean? First, as a side note, we don't have anything called permanent alimony. There's no such term in Maryland. Nobody ever has to pay alimony forever or permanently. But if it's not rehabilitative alimony, and one spouse needs money, then it's called indefinite. You're going to pay alimony, an amount of money to support the other person, for an indefinite period of time. What does that mean? We don't know at this point. At the time of divorce, the judge can't figure out how long it's going to be, if ever, that the person's going to be able to support themselves. So the judge would award indefinite alimony. So what does the person requesting alimony have to show for indefinite alimony? Well, one, that because of their age or health and work history or any other factor that's appropriate, they're not going to be able to get to the position where they can support themselves. Or even in a situation where they will be able to support themselves, the disparity of incomes are so much. One person's making $500,000 a year and the other person's making $60,000. So the $60,000 person can support themselves, but the other one's making so much money, it's going to be an indefinite alimony case because it's just not fair. We use the word unconscionable. So that's rehabilitative and indefinite alimony. In the next video, I'm going to explain what factors the court considers in determining how much and for how long and what type of alimony should be paid.